16세의 나이에 종신형을 선고받은 그레이스. 세상은 그녀를 주인을 죽인 미친 여자로 취급했고 정신병원과 감옥으로 가며 15년째 살아가고 있었습니다.
I have been an inmate of the Kingston Penitentiary for 15 long years.
모범수로 인정받아 하녀로 일하는 그레이스.
To do light housework. They stare without appearing to, Doctor, out from under their bonnets. The reason they want to see me is that I am a celebrated murderess. Or that is what has been written down.
Chris Marks made me do it! She's a whore!
사형당한 하인의 주장 때문에 살인범으로 낙인 찍혔지만 조용하고 성실한 그녀는 전혀 살인범으로 보이지 않았고
Hold still, Grace. Dr. Smith needs to get a proper measurement. There's nothing to be afraid of.
죽인 기억이 없다는 이유로 수년 동안 정신감정을 받으며 고통받았죠.
A great number of us, especially those of us on the committee to pardon Grace Marks, who are anxious to see Grace released as soon as possible.
그녀의 석방을 바라는 사람들은 미국의 유명한 정신과 의사 조던을 불러옵니다.
I'd be careful if I were you. She's murdered 2 people in cold blood.
I understand you're afraid of doctors. I must tell you right away that I myself am a doctor. Diseases of the mind and the brain and the nerves.
I won't go back there to the asylum. Anyway, it's all been decided. And what I say will not change anything.
This is for you. And what does an apple remind you of?
Who shall we marry?
Apple pie.
다른 의사들과 다른 태도에도 그를 경계하며 속마음을 보이지 않았죠.
I would like to help you, Grace. If you will try to talk, I will try to listen.
Perhaps I'll tell you lies.
Perhaps you will. That is a chance you'll have to take.
I went to the pump, and on turning around, I saw McDermott dragging Nancy along the yard, leading from the back kitchen to the front kitchen.
He claimed that Grace strangled Nancy with her own kerchief.
The man had already told several different stories and was a notorious liar into the bargain.
엇갈리는 두 사람의 진술 속에서 과연 누가 거짓말을 하는 건지 확신할 수 없었던 조던은 중립적인 입장에서 진실을 밝히고자 했습니다.
See, that's what happens when you take an extra piece of bread for your breakfast. Grace, I see you've got a new sweetheart. A doctor, no less.
간수들의 괴롭힘을 벗어나 교도소장의 집에서 상담을 시작합니다.
It's difficult for me to begin talking. I've not talked very much in the past 15 years.
Can you tell me what this is, Grace?
It's a beat.
And does it remind you of anything?
Sunday roast, I suppose.
변호사가 시켜서 작성한 가짜 진술서 말고는 과거 이야기를 해본 적이 없던 그레이스.
Let us begin at the beginning.
Beginning of what, sir?
The beginning of your life.
Whatever you may think of me, it's all the same.
Judged rightly, Grace?
Rightly or wrongly does not matter. People want a guilty person.
I have your confession here. Grace, who is Mary Whitney? It is written underneath your portrait at the front of your confession.
And without her, it would have been a different story entirely.
Will you tell me your story, Grace? As the real one is not written in your confession, as you say.
그레이스의 모든 걸 궁금해하는 그에게 아련한 기억을 떠올리며 그녀의 이야기를 시작합니다.
What it says at the beginning of my confession is true enough. I did indeed come from the north of Ireland. We left Ireland with little warning. My father was English.
폭력적인 아버지가 나쁜 일에 휘말리는 바람에 도망치듯 캐나다로 향한 가족들.
3 crows in a row mean death. My foot will never touch land again.
Through the storms and sickness, we barely knew where he was, which was just as well. The ship was, after all, only a sort of slum in motion, though without the gin shops.
그들은 온갖 오물이 가득한 지하 안에서 탈출하는 시간을 견뎌야 했는데요.
My stomach, Grace.
병에 걸린 엄마는 도착하기도 전에 죽게 됩니다.
Here are some spirits I have for medicine. Oh, do not open the window to let the soul out.
불길했던 엄마의 말은 현실이 돼버렸죠.
We arrived in Toronto, and the people appeared to be very mixed as to the kinds of them, with skins of all hues, which was very new to me.
낯선 땅에서 엄마의 빈자리까지 채워야 했던 그레이스.
Get the bloody breakfast on, you lazy witch! You stupid, ugly whore!
엄마가 당했던 폭력은 이제 그녀가 당했고 술에 취한 아버지는 몹쓸짓까지 시도합니다. 죽이고 싶을 정도로 증오했지만 차마 죽이지 못했죠.
Time you went out into the world, earn your own bread and send your wages back.
Who look after the little ones?
Katie's. Now get out and send money back.
불행 중 다행으로 아버지에게서 벗어난 그레이스.
I told them I would come back for them. And at the time I meant it.
귀족가의 하녀로 들어간 그녀는 인생에서 가장 중요했던 존재 메리 휘트니를 만나게 됩니다.
That's Mrs. Parkinson. She ought to be the alderman herself. She is the better man. Mrs. Honey, cook. This is Grace Marks. Now I'll show you to your bed, which is the same as mine.
집안 곳곳을 알려주며 다정하게 대해주는 메리.
Grace, when you get your wages, you must hide them.
What about the children?
Well, it won't benefit your brothers and sisters. You'll just drink it away. You may be very young and as ignorant as an egg.
언니 같은 메리에게서 처음으로 따뜻함을 느끼고 두 사람은 금세 친해지게 되죠.
To prepare a house for guests requires extra attention.
She was a fun-loving girl and very bold and mischievous in her speech. I put it down to her being a native-born Canadian as she did not have very much respect for degree. Mary was a person of very democratic views.
It angers me that some people have so much and others so little.
Well, the rebels have changed that.
No, of course they would have.
It's very sad that the rebels lost.
We didn't lose. We just haven't won yet.
정부군에게 농장을 빼앗겨 가족을 잃은 메리는 개혁을 위해 싸우는 반군의 선언문을 외우며 세상이 변할 거라 믿고 있었죠.
You must take the peel off in one long piece.
Look, got it off in one piece.
All right. Who shall we marry? A J.
It is a J.
Grace, you will marry Jeremiah. He's the peddler who's coming tomorrow. He is handsome.
Go on. It's your turn.
미래의 남편 이름을 점쳐보던 날 껍질을 깎지 못했던 메리.
It's just a foolish old wives' tale.
다음 날 메리가 말했던 떠돌이 보따리 장수 제러마이어가 방문합니다.
I'll buy some.
You scarcely need it. You smell like a princess already.
다재다능했던 그는 장사 수완이 뛰어난 인물이었는데요.
You only bought 4 buttons, 5 for luck. There are sharp rocks ahead.
I suppose there always are, sir.
You will cross water 3 times. You will have much trouble, but all will be fine in the end.
손금을 보더니 불길한 예언을 합니다.
You are one of us.
I'll surely die.
Grace, you are a woman now. It happens once a month from now. You can put this on until you get a red petticoat of your own.
그레이스에겐 엄마와 같았던 메리.
The worst will be the gentlemen, because they think they're entitled to anything they want. And if there's a ring, there must be a parson to go with it.
점점 메리에게 모든 걸 의지하게 됩니다.
Think better of it and be off on the next boat.
Well, Miss Grace, what a difference now that you're decently dressed.
메리와 함께 평온한 일상 속에서 행복하게 지내던 어느 날.
Make me love you, Mary. Mary?
Sir?
I'm George Parkinson.
Grace Marks, sir.
George is the eldest son of the household. He's just home for Christmas.
이 집의 장남 조지가 돌아오자 메리와 묘한 분위기가 흐르는데요. 그 사실을 모르는 그레이스는 행복하기만 했습니다.
That was the happiest Christmas I'd ever spent, either before or after.
Oh, this is the best needle case in the world. I've never seen anything like it. I will cherish it always.
It's beautiful.
It was my mother's. She gave it to me just before she died. And I want you to have it. This is the best thing for the lumbago if you put it on the spot.
크리스마스가 지났지만 조지는 돌아가지 않았고
I don't have you fraternizing with the servants when you're here to rest and recover.
It was about this time I began to notice a change in Mary.
Mary, slow down. I'm in a hurry.
메리가 말도 없이 사라지는 날이 많아졌습니다.
Have you ever been skating?
No.
Is there some trouble, Mary?
do not know where you're getting such ideas.
상태가 이상한 걸 눈치챘을 땐 이미 임신한 후였죠.
He promised to marry me. And for once, I wanted to believe him. Who married?
메리는 남자가 누구인지 말해주지 않았고
But as soon as anyone knows what sort of trouble I'm in, I'll be turned away. I'll have to go to the streets and become a sailor's trap to feed myself and the baby.
I'll do anything for you. What can I do?
그녀를 위해 뭐든 하고 싶었지만 할 수 있는 건 아무것도 없었죠.
Appeal to his better nature. You cannot turn you away if he has any decency at all.
He gave me $5. $5, that is what his child is worth to him. He said if I wanted a quick end to my troubles, I should just go and drown myself.
스스로의 다짐에도 사랑에 눈이 멀었던 메리.
About lending me your savings.
Of course, with all my heart. Don't go to this doctor.
I must. Don't carry on, Grace.
그레이스가 말렸지만 위험한 수술을 시도합니다.
You wait here. And if you ever tell anything about this, I will deny ever having seen you.
I thought it was a most wicked thing myself, but I also thought it was either one corpse that way or two the other. So I could not find it within my heart to reproach her.
Grace,
Yes.
I am angry.
분노하는 메리를 위해 해줄 수 있는 건
Canadians. Do you love freedom?
밤새 맥켄지의 선언문을 읽어주는 것밖에 없었죠.
That we are poor, spiritless, ignorant peasants who were born to toil for our betters. But the peasants are beginning to open their eyes.
하지만 다음 날 고통 속에서 몸부림치던 메리는 일어나지 못했죠.
Mary, are you pretending?
Under my own roof. What a deceitful girl. Who was the man? A scoundrel ought to be exposed and made to pay for his crime.
Only she said that you would not like it at all if you found out who it was.
We will not discuss this any further. This will only bring misery and there's no sense crying over spilt milk.
그 남자가 아들인 걸 직감한 부인은 메리의 죽음을 열병으로 위장하라 지시합니다.
All the time Mary was there on the bed listening. She was hearing our plans to tell these lies about her. Mary was done to death by that unknown gentleman. As surely as if he'd taken the knife and plunged it into her body himself. Let me in.
환청을 듣고 창문을 연 그레이스는 영혼이 빠져나가지 못한다는 그 말을 굳게 믿고 있었죠. 쓰러진 그녀는 한동안 일어나지 못했고
Grace. Where's Grace?
You are Grace, my dear. Your Mary has died. You've had a terrible shock.
깨어나자마자 자신이 메리라며 난동을 부리는데
Mary has died. You are with us and you are all right.
그녀는 그 일을 전혀 기억하지 못했습니다.
No memory at all.
No. When I woke again, it was a day later. And I knew again that I was Grace and that Mary was dead. And I remembered the night we'd thrown the apple peelings over our shoulders. And Mary's had broken 3 times. And now it had all come true. That she had not married anyone and now never would. So the happiest time of my life was over and gone.
I want to speak to you about an account I read of Grace at the asylum. Paints her as a gibbering madwoman and running around like a singed monkey.
Have you developed your own theories regarding her sanity?
I have been proceeding with the utmost caution.
Have you asked her what she remembers?
미친 여자라는 기록과 다르게 멀쩡한 정신과 뚜렷한 그녀의 기억.
This hallucination was followed by an episode of fainting and hysterics, mixed with what would appear to have been somnambulism.
To approach the time of the murders with her now, given that she is speaking about her amnesia.
I must reiterate my methods take time.
메리의 죽음으로 인한 일시적 기억 상실이 그 이후에 어떤 영향을 주었는지 현재로선 알 수가 없었고
In the courtroom and in the asylum, every word that came out of my mouth was as if it was burnt into the paper they were writing it on, only they were the wrong words.
I gave him a piece of white cloth.
But now I feel as if everything I say is right. When you write, I feel as if you were drawing on me.
그녀의 시각으로 본 과거가 과연 정확한 것일지, 그녀가 과연 꾸밈없이 모든 걸 말하는지 확신할 순 없지만 안타까운 삶을 살았던 그녀에게 연민이 생겨난 조던은 그레이스의 묘한 매력에 끌리고 있었습니다.
Grace, I noticed that the guards were quite rough with you. Does this happen often?
Yes, sir. They say filthy things and make it so I can't get free of them.
I will speak to the governor of the prison about it.
Oh, a parsnip.
I believe the captain's cellars.
Oh, no, sir. Outside in a hole in the ground.
Shall we continue where we left off?
Oh, yes. Mary. She was buried in my best night dress, and all laid out in white like that. She looked just like a bride.
I will say a prayer for her.
메리의 반지를 팔아 장례를 치러준 그레이스.
It was very hard for me to believe that Mary was truly dead.
Do you know the man?
I do not.
I'm going to ask you to swear on the Bible. Even if you do know, you will never divulge it.
집주인은 확실하게 입막음을 합니다.
I never had fault to find with your work, Grace.
그런데
Grace.
이제 그레이스를 노리는 장남 조지.
George.
Grace, it's George. Let me in.
Once you're found with a man in your room, you are the guilty one, no matter how they get in. There are some of the masters who think you owe them service 24 hours a day.
매일 밤 불안에 떨던 어느 날
Oh, Nancy, this is Grace. Nancy's an old friend. She's visiting from Richmond Hill.
다른 집 가정부 낸시에게 일자리 제안을 받게 됩니다.
What are your wages at present?
$2 a month.
I will pay you $3 a month. Here's some money.
Grace?
I'm sorry to steal your best help, Sally.
I'm not sure it is a suitable position for a young girl like you. But I do feel I have done my duty to you in saying as much as I have, because you have no mother to advise you.
같이 일하던 가정부가 찜찜한 말을 하지만
She resembled Mary Whitney, or so I then thought. And I'd been depressed in spirits ever since Mary's death. And so I decided to go.
그레이스는 얼른 그 집을 벗어나고 싶었죠.
Never look behind you.
Why not?
Because the past is the past and regret is vain. Why don't you come into the inn with me for a glass of two of whiskey just for old time's sake?
Would your name be Grace Marks?
Yes.
Up you go, Grace.
Do you mean me to sit in the front? And there we were, driving up Young Street, just as if I was a fine lady.
새 주인 키니어는 다른 귀족들과 달리 좋은 인상이었지만
Hello, Jamie. Jamie lives nearby and he helps us around the farm from time to time.
Is it big, Toronto?
I could not find it in me to answer him properly about Toronto. Because right then, I was bitterly sorry I'd ever left it.
낸시에게 기대했던 친근함은 느껴지지 않았고 후회가 밀려왔지만 되돌아갈 곳은 없었습니다.
Could see there was no love lost between McDermott and Nancy.
The smile or the open road for him. Or more likely the bottom of a ditch.
Nancy, who was now all smiles, showed me to my room. She had on a very handsome pair of earrings, which I could tell were real gold.
You must be very tired after your journey. It's very fatiguing. Why don't you rest and start work in the morning?
예전 집과 달리 혼자서 많은 일을 해야 했지만
You should sit down with me and have a cup of tea.
I can't risk waiting on laundry. This time of year there could be a quick change in the weather.
한결같이 부지런했던 그녀는 새로운 환경에 적응하며 성실하게 주어진 일을 해나갔습니다.
I did think it unusual for a housekeeper to be learning the piano. But of course I said nothing.
돈 받고 일하는 같은 처지인데도 항상 귀족 같은 차림으로 놀기만 하는 낸시.
I will take it up.
It was beneath her position and a job for the maids.
I've gotten into the habit of it lately. Go ahead.
Thank you, Grace.
Mr. Kinnear wants an egg for his breakfast.
We will have breakfast together in the dining room. He requires me to keep him company.
키니어와 관련된 건 지나치게 간섭하고
His folded shirts are ready for wear and go on this shelf. And his dressing things are not to be laid out like this. This is how he likes them.
가정부가 아닌 안주인 같은 행동이 이상했는데요.
Oh, I found the shirt cleaned and put away with a button missing.
하지만 그녀도 결국 고용인일 뿐이었고
Please mind that does not happen again.
You did not clean my shoes properly this morning.
화풀이 대상은 언제나 맥더못이었습니다.
Tell me about your life before you came to work here.
Who would care to hear about that?
I would. All such stories are of interest to me.
군인이었다는 그는 당연히 낸시에게 불만이 가득했는데요.
I thought I'd be working for the gentleman himself, but not so. A woman is set over me instead.
Silly house, sweetheart. You'd only need breaking in like a cult, then you'd go as good as arresting.
Thank you to keep such offensive remarks to yourself. I'm not a mayor.
거친 남자였던 그는 친해지기 힘들었고
If I'm sent into the village and there's any little thing that you should want, I would be glad to fetch it for you.
Thank you, Jamie.
친절한 사람은 제이미밖에 없었죠.
What's the matter, Grace?
Could you please kill this chicken for me?
There's nothing easier. I would be glad to do it.
닭 한 마리 죽이지 못했던 어린 소녀. 하지만 몇 개월 후 그녀는 죽은 낸시의 옷을 훔쳐입고 법정에 서게
He
되는데요.
says Grace was very jealous of the difference made between her and the housekeeper whom she hated and to whom she was very insolent and saucy. He claims you said,
What is she better than us? That she used to be treated like a lady and eat and drink the best?
before he was hanged, McDermott said that you were the one that put him up to it.
You're such a coward.
To be a part of it. You will go straight to hell and I will not join you.
What do you think of when you hear that, Grace?
I think it's bad luck to laugh at the dead. The dead don't like being laughed at.
악녀처럼 묘사된 진술과 너무나 다른 그녀의 이야기에 조던은 갈수록 혼란스러웠죠.
Always busy, I see, Grace.
키니어의 시선이 그레이스를 향할 때마다 질투하고 경계하는 낸시.
Where did you find this one, Tom?
What have you done with Nancy?
Say, look to your fine blue eyes, my dear. Nancy might scratch him out if old Tom so much as looks at you sideways.
하지만 어린 소녀였던 그레이스는 어른들의 사정을 알 리가 없었고
Divine Grace.
It's an outrage. An outrage.
Recipients of it.
수근거리는 사람들을 나쁘게 생각했었는데요.
Where were you yesterday?
That's none of your damn business where I'm at.
You were to leave at the end of the month.
낸시와 맥더못의 싸움이 격해진 어느 날
I'm just as glad. I don't care to stay a moment longer with such a parcel of whores.
That cannot be true.
You can scarcely see the nose before your own face.
낸시가 다른 집에서 임신을 했던 것과 그걸 알고도 데려온 키니어와 부적절한 관계라는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
For being so blind and foolish. I'm sorry to say that after this I lost much of the respect I'd once felt for Nancy.
You must buy the hutch.
Why don't you do it? Or can you not bend down in that fine dress?
How dare you?
How dare I what?
Yeah, I'll carry it up for you.
Oh no, sir, I cannot allow.
그레이스의 반항과 키니어의 태도에 불안해하는 낸시.
If she treats me this way, she'll soon treat you the same. We need to join together and demand our rights.
They deserve to be knocked on the head and thrown down a cellar. Both of them.
분노를 쏟아내며 그레이스를 부추기는 맥더못.
I thought this was just a way of talking. So he was always a boaster. My own father, when drunk, had often threatened me in this way, but had never in fact done so. Took it all for idle threats.
Happy birthday, Grace. Be your ring.
Thank you, Nancy.
We should go for a walk in the country around.
Mr. Clay intends to be home all afternoon. She wants you out of the way.
There's something depressing to the spirits about a birthday. Especially when alone.
그들의 격한 감정의 소용돌이 속에서 기댈 곳 하나 없었던 그레이스.
I had no idea in my mind of where I should go, and it struck me at once how very solitary I was.
그런데
Oh, Jamie, you startled me.
Happy birthday. Do you have a sweetheart, Grace?
Do not.
I would like to be your sweetheart. And when I'm older and have saved the money for it, we will be married.
제이미의 깜짝 고백으로 잠시나마 위안을 받고 10대들의 풋풋한 시간을 보내게 됩니다. 하지만
Who was that man you were with in the orchard then? What were you doing with him?
It was only young Jamie Walsh.
두 사람을 순수하게 바라보는 어른은 아무도 없었죠.
So, you were rolling about the grass with a errand boy? Such a fine cradle robber you are.
Jeremiah.
I wanted to celebrate the end of my life as a peddler with you.
Are you no longer a peddler?
Not after today. I'm going to be a hypnotist.
Thank you for coming.
They say in the neighborhood he has a hankering for servant girls. I pray you do not end up like Mary Whitney. Come away with me, Grace. I do not like the feeling here.
갑자기 찾아온 제러마이어가 함께 미국으로 떠나자고 말하는데
What I do?
Travel with me. You could be a medical clairvoyant.
And you could earn twice as much in one day than you do scrubbing floors here in 2 months.
Of course, you would need a new name.
I won't conceal from you, sir, that the idea was greatly tempting. Then I had remembered what had happened to Mary Whitney.
그를 믿고 싶었지만 한편으론 불안한 마음에 쉽게 결정할 순 없었습니다.
I'm willing to help you and care for you. And I tell you truly, you are surrounded by dangers here.
Don't walk on my clean floor with your mucky boots.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. What are you doing here?
Scrubbing the floor, ma'am, as he ordered me.
For God's sake, pin up your hair. You look like a common slut.
예민하게 굴며 막말을 쏟는 낸시. 그레이스는 낸시가 임신한 걸 눈치챕니다.
Several days later, the doctor paid us a visit. Doctors are like crows. When you see 2 or 3 of them gathered together, you know there's a death in the offing and they're discussing it.
Mr. Kinnear know she was pregnant.
And I wondered what he would do when he found out.
What did you hope for?
I wish Nancy no harm, but all the same, it would not be fair for her to end up a respectable married lady with a ring on her finger. Because Mary had done the same as her and had gone to her death. Why should one be rewarded and the other punished for the same sin?
사랑받는 낸시를 보자 안타까운 메리의 죽음이 계속 떠올라 그녀를 괴롭혔죠.
The rain was loud and oppressive, and I heard a whisper which sounded as close as if it were inside my ear. It cannot be.
That whisper.
And then I had a very strange dream. I saw headless angels in bloody robes. They were sitting in silent judgment upon Mr. Kinnear's house, and on all within it.
기억을 잃은 채 밤을 헤맸던 그레이스. 당장 이곳을 벗어나고 싶었지만 떠나기엔 이미 늦어버렸죠.
If I was given the chance right then, I would have run off with Jeremiah, but I did not know where he had gone.
그레이스는 잔인함을 감추고 연기를 하고 있는 악녀인지 아니면 단순히 살인을 방조했던 안타까운 피해자일 뿐인지 과연 그날의 진실은 무엇이며 그녀의 비밀은 무엇일까요? 넷플릭스 드라마 그레이스는 19세기 캐나다의 실화사건 바탕의 6편짜리 단편 시리즈인데요. 서정적인 이야기인데도 이야기를 이끌어 나가는 호기심 때문에 강한 몰입감을 느낄 수 있었습니다. 16부터 감옥살이를 하며 기구한 삶을 살았던 그레이스. 그녀를 연기한 사라가돈의 덤덤한 대사와 신비로운 분위기가 인간이 가질 수 있는 양면성을 잘 표현했다 생각이 듭니다. 짠한 결말에서 강한 여운과 함께 왠지 모를 아련함까지 느껴지는 넷플릭스 드라마 그레이스였습니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 즐겁게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 그리고 알람 설정 부탁드리겠습니다.